This is the National Weather Service with a severe weather and heavy rainfall update as of 8:30 p.m. on Saturday, May 8th. Here are some key messages for thunderstorms that are going to be moving in tonight into early Sunday morning. This line of severe thunderstorms, like I said, will be developing tonight. The storms will quickly be moving towards the south and southeast and impact most of the area between 1 and 8 a.m. With these storms, we're going to be seeing all modes of severe weather possible. That includes damaging winds as the highest threat, as well as potential for some hail to the size of quarters and possibly an isolated tornado as well. There will also be a brief chance for heavy rainfall and localized flash flooding possible, especially for central and western Missouri late tonight into Sunday morning. So let's talk about the severe thunderstorm potential and what's entailed in that. Again, the main window of severe weather is going to be mainly during the overnight hours into early Sunday morning from 1 to 8 a.m. Again, these chances are going to be the highest north of Interstate 44, with the storms expected to slowly weaken as we get further south of the Interstate 44 corridor, especially towards far southern Missouri during the early morning on Sunday. Again, your main threats are going to be damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, but we do still have the potential for hail to the size of quarters, as well as an isolated tornado and frequent lightning with these thunderstorms. Regarding the timing of the severe storms, let's look at this in a little bit more detail. This is just one model's depiction of where the storms might be as we get into the 1 to 2 a.m. hour tonight. Again, these thunderstorms will be quickly moving towards the south and the southeast. You'll see that we'll be primarily north of the Interstate 44 corridor between 2 to 4 a.m. The thunderstorms will start getting into more of the Springfield metro, maybe the Rolla area, even over into Joplin, roughly between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m., and then approaching the far southern Missouri border towards northern Arkansas as we get closer to around sunrise between 6 and 8 a.m. In addition to the severe weather threat, we also have the potential for heavy rain and flooding tonight. Primarily, it's going to be where our highest rainfall totals are over central Missouri and western Missouri, where amounts of 1 to 2 inches will be possible with these thunderstorms. Some of the rainfall rates with these storms might actually approach or exceed 1 inch per hour as well. And flooding may also linger into Sunday morning, especially on low water crossings in localized areas that receive this higher rainfall. Just remember to keep in mind, especially if you have a phone or another way of receiving warnings and watches tonight, just make sure you have a backup as well. These are some of the different ways that you can receive warnings, whether through a NOAA weather radio, your local radio and TV station, your phone as was listed, or even on the internet. And additionally, if we do see any flooding tonight, make sure to obey road signs and closures. Just remember to turn around, don't drown. And to wrap up the key messaging again, once more, we will have a line of severe thunderstorms developing tonight and quickly moving south and southeast through the area, primarily between 1 and 8 a.m. Again, we'll have all modes of severe weather possible, with the highest threat being damaging wind gusts approaching up to 70 miles per hour, as well as a brief heavy rainfall and localized flash flooding potential, especially over central and western Missouri. If you do have any reports of flooding or severe thunderstorm winds or hail tonight, here are some of the sources where you can post that information, whether a phone number that's listed here for our office or cell phone, or on our Facebook, Twitter, or even YouTube pages. Thank you, be safe, and have a good day.